getting ready for church, so I want to do my makeup with you guys. So today is Sunday. On Friday I went for a kesha at this church in Mombasa Road, Upper Baricho Road, and Victoria Orenze was there. It was such a powerful night, you guys. It was a night of the outpouring of the Spirit of God. I kid you not. It was so good. So I'll just run a few clips of her singing, of other people singing. There were other guests as well, but it was such a powerful night. It was such a good night, you guys. Like, God was there. His glory was there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna run a few clips so that you guys can see as I do my makeup.
Possible. And when he's done with you, your past will not look anything like it happened. That is what grace does. Oh, thank you, Holy Ghost. It doesn't need a song to touch it. It doesn't need a hand to touch it. He is the Holy Ghost, the Spirit of the living God.
Alright guys, so this is it for my makeup. I don't want to be late for church, so I'll talk to you guys when I come back. I just got back from church. I've just touched on my makeup a little bit because my makeup had smudged. Yeah, so I also feel like my hair is a bit frizzy, but I think this will do. Yes, so I want to shoot a Du Bois haul. So if you haven't watched it, please make sure you go and watch it because it will come up fast before this video. Yes, so I just got done with the video. Nime shoot, nime edit, and nime upload. So if you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it. Yes, so it's now time to take care of me. I haven't had anything to eat since yesterday. So I have some fish that I bought yesterday from the market. So I'll be making that with ugali and skuma. Yeah, so I'll probably talk to you guys tomorrow because it's currently 5 p.m. and I don't have anything interesting to vlog about. Yeah, so talk to you guys tomorrow. but I'll just finish the greens and then that will be it for me. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Actually, I feel like a cartoon. Yeah, so I was editing this video and I realized I had not done an intro, so here I am introducing the vlog. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ruth Chari and welcome to today's video. Yeah, so I'm going to look for 2-bedroom houses and I'll be taking you along with me. So hopefully I'll find something nice. I've been meaning to move out for the past few months, but nimekuwa mvivu wa kutafuta how. So today I was like, today is the day. Let me go look for these houses once and for all. And if I find something nice, I mean, why not? I will move. Back home. Out of all the houses that I've seen, it's only 2 that I liked. One you've already seen and the other one was way beyond my budget, and this year we are living within our means. Okay, I also passed by the supermarket and got a few things for the house that I don't have, so I want to show you guys what I bought. And you guys explain to me how these things were summing up to 2,000 shillings. 2,000 shillings. Economy imepanda. Fusion yogurts, the assorted one, has real foods. I bought Indomie, if you know, you know. Milk, garlic powder, curry powder, this is the original one, deodorant, Nivea lotion. I've been seeing this lotion on Instagram and I really wanted to try it. Yeah, so I'll give my review after maybe a week. Oils and vitamins says it has avocado oil, almond, soybean, macadamia, and olive oil. And then it says 48 long-lasting nourishment, visibly reduces the appearance of stretch mark in 2 weeks. Sad eyes. Okay, and then it says for dry skin. So I assume it's very moisturizing. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it's your first time watching any of my videos, please make sure you subscribe and you turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Yeah, so it's until next time, my loves. Bye.